Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to talk about an automated trading platform. Now, the platform we are going to be using today is Modrex. Modrex is an automated trading platform where you can invest in trading strategies and get profits over time. A few weeks back, I was reached out by Mudrex to make this video for you guys. This is more like a sponsored video, so you should always do your due diligence before investing on any platform. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research. I currently just started using this platform, and I must say it is an easy platform to use. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to get set up with Mudrex, how you can invest in different trading strategies. The first thing to do, just like any other platform, is to register. Just an email is needed for registering on Modrex. So once you've registered, this is how the Modrex platform looks like. To get started, you would first have to connect your exchange to Modrex through API keys. These are the steps to adding an API key. One thing you need to know is that when you are connecting your exchange, for example Binance, to the Modrex platform, Modrex would only have access to buy and sell. They won't have access to withdraw your crypto, so they can't withdraw your cryptos. When you are creating your API key on Binance, make sure you don't give access to withdraw. You can only give access to enable trading with your API key. Also, keep in mind that Mudrex cannot withdraw your funds from your exchange. So basically, they don't have access to withdraw your crypto from your exchange. Once you've successfully connected your exchange to Mudrex, now the next thing is to choose a profitable trading strategy. Choose from this existing list on the strategy you would like to invest in. The first thing you'd have to look at before investing, to me, would be the scores. Now, this is a metric created by Mudrex to help traders evaluate the performance of a strategy. Any number less than equal to 4 is considered as poor. Numbers between 5 and 7 is average, and numbers 8 and above is good, according to Mudrex platform. So I always pay attention to the performance score. One thing you need to know is that the higher the performance score doesn't mean that the return is going to be greater. So the performance score is due to how this strategy tends to manage your risk when you choose to invest in it. Managing risk is a big part of trading. Once you can manage your risk accordingly, your profits could be consistent. So that's why I focus more on the scores. Please keep in mind, on Modrex, profits are not guaranteed. So far, from what I've understood using this platform, profits accumulate over time, as all these strategies have been reviewed by Modrex. So let's continue. The second parameter I would look into before investing would be the total returns. This is the percentage gain for a period of time. As you can see, this strategy has been running for 119 days and has gotten a percentage return of 102.86%. Now, this is really good because if you had used this strategy, you would have gotten more than double your money. As you can see, though it takes time for profits to accumulate, but the main goal here is for you to get consistent profits over time. Now, the next parameter I would look at is the number of investors using this strategy. For me, if the number of investors are greater than 200, I would feel comfortable investing in such strategy. The next thing you should take note of also is the monthly fee. Now, this is 1.5% of your initial investment. This is the strategy right here. And another parameter I would like to show you is this badge right here. Now, when you see this badge, this means that the strategy that you are looking at is under Modrex Protect. With Modrex Protect plan, you can get your money back if you haven't made any profit within a month. Now, once you click on this strategy, you would see right here that fee refund if no profits in a month. Now, this is very good because if you don't make profit in a month, the money you use to pay fees would be returned back to your wallet. Also, for you to fund your wallet on Modrex, you would have to go to the Payments tab. There are different ways to fund your wallet on Modrex. You can either use payments with crypto, you can use PayPal, or you can simply just add your card in the Modrex platform. And when you use my link in the description of this video, you would get $25 bonus when you sign up. And keep in mind that it can only be used to pay fees and not for trading. Once you've funded your Modrex wallet and you want to start investing in a strategy, the next step would be to allocate funds. Before you do that, you would first like to check out the results of this strategy. Once you go down, you would see the live performance of this strategy. And this is the win percentage. That is the percentage of trades that were profitable. And these are the total trades made, profit factor, factor the average win and the average loss and different other information for you to see here about this strategy. Also, if you look at the back-tested performance, you will see that right here is the result of this strategy when it was back-tested. You can also scroll down and see the amount of trades that were made with this strategy so far. Now, currently, these are the trades being made. So when you want to invest in a strategy, it is okay for you to actually check all this out before you invest in any strategy, because you need to know how well this strategy has been performing over the past days and how well it is going to perform in the future. All this information is available for you to make your own choice in the strategy you want to invest in. Now you know that on Mudrex you can invest in different strategies such as this right here, and also you can build your own strategy. For you to do that, you would have to go to build right here. As a trader, I love to create my own strategy that works best for me. With Modrex, you can do all this, and if you scroll down, you will see that there are different sample strategies for you to choose from. So this is how you can build your own strategy. In my next video on Modrex platform, I am going to show you how I build my own strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can build yours too. All these blocks right here are what you would use to build your own strategy, and this is very effective. Once you've built your strategy, you can always backtest your strategy right here. You can either paper trade with this strategy, or you can use live trade with this strategy. Now, once you use live trade, that means you are trading with actual money in your exchange. There are several actions for you to take right here. On Mudrex, there are different plans. You can either use the free version or the paid version. If you are starting with this platform, the free version is a good idea because there are various benefits when using the free version. But currently, I use the paid version, and the reason why I use the paid version is because when you want to backtest, like I said, I am a trader and I love to test out my strategies. When you're using the free version, you can only make 100 backtests a month. But when you're using the paid version, you can make unlimited backtests. So right now, that's why I prefer using the paid version. But you can always use the free version when using Modrex. It is actually a good way to start when using this platform. So that's basically it about Modrex. If you're an experienced trader, you can use the build and actually build your own strategy. If you're looking to just invest, there are lots of trading strategies right here that you can choose from. Also, you need to know that when you are looking to invest in any strategy, always take note of the minimum amount of allocation. For example, on this strategy, the minimum amount is 150 USDT. If you are planning on using Modrex to automate your trades, you should have not less than 150 USDT, because that is the minimum allocation it is going to use to automate your trades. So that's basically it about Modrex. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. In my next video, I am going to walk you through step-by-step process on how you can start investing on Modrex. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.